One thing a motivational speaker is supposed to never tell you, or that you heard that a motivational speaker is never to tell you, is that you can't. You can't. You're not supposed to tell people they can't. That's no way to encourage anybody. Tell them they can't do something. But I will tell you tonight that the most powerful motivational speeches that I have ever heard came from people who told me I couldn't do something. You know why? Because when they told me I couldn't do it, I was bound and determined to show them that I could. Tell me I can't do it. I will prove you wrong. I will show you that you're mistaken. You have chosen the wrong one to tell that they can't do something. Because I believe, and this is real important, I can't will thwart you, will stop you, will slow you down, will turn you around and cause you to move backwards if you let it. But if you have the proper mindset, I can't will do nothing but make you that more determined to get to your goal.
People don't want to exude that much passion in which it becomes obsession because they're fearful of their obsessions. Well, if I'm obsessed about this topic, it's going to take away from my family, from my time. It's going to introduce a lot of, fear or unknowns to me. So they back off. But I tell people all the time, there is a difference between passion and obsession. And high performers have obsession about the topic, right? They are obsessed about the topic in which they're trying to learn, master, grow into. And so that obsession is real. And I tell people the difference, here's how you know the difference between the two. When you're passionate, everybody cheers you on. They're stoked for you. Oh, you found your passion? Awesome. Follow your passion. Live with passion. Be passionate. When you're obsessed, they're like, why you gotta be so crazy? Why can't you be satisfied? Why do you always gotta get things so perfect? Why do you spend so much time here? When you're obsessed, people think you're nuts. So it's different. And it's like, I always tell people, if no one thinks you're crazy, you're not yet operating to the outer limits of your potential. You're not there yet.
If you want to be great, not good, not also grand, not second, not third, if you want to be great, the very best at what you do, obsession is a necessity. You must be. Ain't no two ways about it. Obsession. Nobody got to be the best at anything. I don't care if you flip pancakes, you sweep porches, you wash dishes, you bust tables. If you're the very best at it, you are obsessed about it. And obsessed about it means you slept and you dreamed and you ate that. I will be the very best at what I do. I am determined to be the very best at what I am. And nobody can tell me that I can't do it because I am obsessed.
Somebody in your life should say, man, you really care about this in like a crazy way. And when you get there, you know you found your thing. And not everybody finds that.
Money.
Raya lu. Nah. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 full forma 13 cepaj to 14 cepaj to cepaj 15 cepaj to cepaj 16 cepaj to ne ideš kući 17 alo cepaj to cepaj cepaj ajmo 50
ajmo Čile! Znate, vi u životu. Moja sad
Treba, ja inače sad radim 19-20, ja manje se počne jako loše.
ne, još je dobro. Ajmo Čiki! To, beton! Bravo, bravo! Ajmo! Ajmo podrška! Ajde! Jak się tak nie porazi, neće biti bravo! Ajde! Ajde! Vazda, fontena bliz. Stoji. Gužane Goge, još. Gledaj što ga zna na mjestu. Ne više, ajmo. Polako. Četko ne počeo. Polako skači, taj ti, koliko si ja. 6, 7, stani. Stig. Meni je drago što ovaki kavatel ne mogu ni učestovati. Ajmo. Polako, ne cimaj. Stima. Bravo, ajmo. Polako. Bravo. Čupaj. Stani. Ne mogu da brojim. Držimo te, ga ne mogu stati. Čupaj za raj. Čupaj. Tako je. Ajmo. Samo vuci. 1, 2, 3, Ajde, Boki!
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Druže, bao, tu su studijama, gledaju, jebote.
6, 7,
Ajmo Čile!
nemoj znak, 9, 10,
Bravo, Boki!
1, rokaj momci, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Aci!
8,
Pomjeri još gore šak.
9, ajde! 10, dohvati svaki put, 1, 2,
Ajde, Čile!
3, 4,
Ajmo Čile!
pukove, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Ajde, Boki!
Ajde Čile!
1, 2, ajde, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, damo znak, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, odlična forma, zadržite formu, 5,
Idemo!
6,
Ajmo Čile!
8, 9, ajmo momci, ajmo, 10, ne smiješ kasniti, 1, 2, 3, moraš dići kukove, još 4 ovakva ponavljanja i disvalkujem te, 1, 2,
Čile, digni!
3,
Čile!
4,
Ajmo!
5, 6, slatkovačne, 7, 8, 9, niži, ajmo, pobjednik,
Čile!
pobjednik, bravo mačko, bravo mačko.
Ajde Deri!
Još bola, 26, ajde!
Ajde! Ajde!
Mislim da bi se data po nagradi bio dodatni stimulans za ove momke. Bravo!
Ajmo, molim vas, pozdrav za ovoga našeg gospodina! Ajmo, Čile! Ajmo još! Ajmo, Čile! Bravo! Ovaj ću preko. Ajmo, ajmo!
Bravo!
Hadi! Hop 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 hop.